All right, yeah, you can just share your screen and go through the whole requirements. All right.
Okay. Um, so can you see what I see now?
Yeah, I can say it.
Okay, so and also if I now you cannot see anything.
Yeah, no, everything's fine. So I can see the screen of a creative agency landing page document, the Word doc.
Okay. So we want to have like we are a brand new company called 224 Creative Agency.
A
And
graphics agency,
so
right?
we have this I'm gonna send you this separately, this whole
Mhm.
thing. And we want to have like a website which is like very clean, organized, minimalistic with like natural earthy tones, not just like plain white website. We
Mhm.
have our logo and we want, which is this one, and we want something like similar design and tones on the website, like in the logo. Also the font should be like very, we don't have like an exact, I don't know, like font type or like color palette, like we want this and this and that. So you can play around with the colors and fonts as well, but
Mhm.
everything should be like really minimalistic, elegant, but easily readable as well. So not like really thin font. I think you get the point, but there are these two other websites which were like our inspiration,
Okay, so
which
you have the
are
inspirations, right? Yeah.
what?
Okay, you got the
Yeah, yeah,
inspirations
yeah,
website, yeah, reference website, yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So for the header, we
Hmm?
want on the left side just writing 2224. So just this.
Okay, so
And
it's the logo, right?
yeah, but we don't want to put the logo in. Just writing 224 and the right corner, Instagram and contact, like on this side.
Okay, yeah, on the right side, I got it.
Here
Mhm.
and here, like contact and Instagram.
Okay, so I think I can see only the document, not other thing you were sharing.
Ah, okay.
So you can do
So
the reshare.
uh, 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 uh.
So
Sorry,
all you can do is stop
I'm
the share and do the sharing again, choosing the whole
okay.
desktop.
Okay.
We should see, yeah, okay, yeah, I
Okay.
can,
Can you see this right now?
yeah.
Okay. So here, there's not like there's no logo, just saying Fox. Like their
Okay,
name.
so we can
So
use the font, the global font or the primary font of your for the website. We can use this font for the text, right? And for the
yeah,
logo,
yeah,
actually, yeah. 224, yeah.
yeah. And here we only want like 224.
Mm-hmm.
And here, like in this website, exactly like this, like contact and Instagram. And we don't have like LinkedIn, so we don't want this.
Mm-hmm.
Just like contact and Instagram. And here only 224.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So if I come back here, can you see this right now?
Not yet. Okay, so all you have to do is you can just pause the screen sharing or just remove the sharing. You can do the sharing again, choosing the whole desktop. Okay, you got
Okay.
my point. So okay, when you just hit the share button, you can see option called like choose a whole desktop. Our whole, yeah, I guess whole desktop, I guess something like that. Yeah, desktop one or desktop two, something like that.
Oh, I cannot see this here.
Once you hit this sharing, just click on share. That's it. Don't do not choose anything.
Ah, okay. So can you see this right now?
Yeah, right now it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, so this is for the header.
Okay, yeah.
And,
From the header.
and for the first like actual section, we want our like slogan, which is this here. Tomorrow's innovations today, thrive forever with 224. Just this. With like bigger letters.
Okay.
In the middle. And below this slogan, we want this like welcome and until like you.
Okay.
And it should be like a header and subheader. So like the tomorrow's innovations today, like our slogan should be like in the middle with bigger words. And this should be below with like
Paragraph,
smaller.
yeah, I got it, yeah. With
smaller, just like here, you know?
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So just like here. And exactly what they are doing, we want like what we do, like a button here, like saying what we do. In the middle as well. And yeah, and this will lead people to the service part, which I'm going to explain it later. Below the what we do button, we want another section, a new section, and we want like our mood board. We have a mood board. I will send you this separately and the pictures as well separately, which is like mainly our, I don't know, like agencies' vibes, like what contents are we creating and stuff like that.
All right.
And
okay, so you guys create like a brand guidelines and okay, you do graphic design, right? Your agency. What's the purpose?
Well, I will get to the service. We do like everything.
Ah, okay.
So like we do like everything. Yes, we more like we like more like the creative stuff, but we do basically everything. So I will get into it in a minute. So below we want our mood board. I will send you the mood board as it is, and I will send you the pictures separately as well. But we are not sure how we want to put this in. So like you can play around with the pictures. If
Sure.
you can do like a little bit of animation. We don't want it to be like too much and like moving too much, you know, but you can play around with the pictures. Like I've written down some ideas here, but we are not exactly sure what we want to do with the pictures here. But
Yeah, so all I can do is we can create like 2 to 3 section or 2 to 3 version of the design of the section. So you can choose any of them. All right.
Okay.
So if that is the case, once you choose one of them, we can just put it there. All right. So we will create a different version of the sections.
Great. Sounds great. Okay. So I will send you this because it's like a kind of, it was like a big image and I couldn't fit here, but I will send you the picture like about the mood board and the picture separately as well. So yeah, and below the mood board, we want another section saying what we do. So this is the service part.
Yeah.
So like in the middle, what we do, like something like this, you know, like what we do, and then all their services like or offers here. So
okay, so one more thing. This website look pretty much it's only have the text. I guess adding some icons or images on the backgrounds would look much nicer, right?
Yeah, but where do you want to add like more images?
Okay,
like,
so for instance, you can see the services, right? So if we could add some icons on the services for each of the boxes, I get it gonna look nice, right? So yeah. All right, so I will take care of that, no problem.
Okay. Well, I trust you. You are the expert here. So like, I'm not really strict with my idea. I let you like play around with these things, but we just don't want it to be like too much, you know, like we want something like very minimalistic and like, yeah, like this is like our style, you know, like very simple but elegant. So yeah, in the middle with like bigger letters, what we do, and then under a little description, which is this one right here, like what we do, like header and subheader, something like that, and then under, like in this site as well, like in the middle what we do, but we want a little description below with like little letters, and then the services, which are these ones.
Yeah. So you have right now like 10 services, right?
We have 10 services. We have 10 services, and we want like the name writing with a little bigger words, and then the description below with like smaller ones, you know. And it is up to you how many services you fit in one line. We just want it to look like organized, not too close to each other, easily readable, you know. So like it is up to you, like how many, like we have 10 services, so I don't know, you will see when you do the site.
Okay. So, all right. So I will take her on the organization. All right. So okay. So I will organize it in a way so it will look better. All right. I will take her on that. No problem. So or we can do is we can create different version of the section. So you can choose any of them in between of them. All right.
Okay. Okay. Sounds great. And then under, we want a button saying work with us. So yeah, when I was explaining the what we do button, this in the beginning, this should lead when someone clicks on it. This should lead exactly to this part, like to the services, you know. And when someone clicks to this button, which is work with us.
Oh, okay. Sorry to interrupt. The website will be a one page, right?
Yes, a landing page.
A landing page, okay.
Everything below each other.
All right. Okay, yeah.
So, yeah?
Yeah, please continue.
Okay, so we want below the services, we want a button saying work with us. And this should lead people into the down, like, yeah, this should be the last section of the page, which is going to be like a little form, you know.
Yeah.
But below the button, we want like a little like say goodbye text, or I don't know how can I say this, which should be this one right here. And then below we want this, which is like a motto or like a slogan, again, I don't know how can I explain this, and this should be below this little description with a little bit like bigger words, and in the middle everything. So this first, and then this below with like a little bit like bigger words in the middle. So, and then this button, work with us, above this text should lead people to this form, which is going to be just above the footer. And we want this to be like, so like the whole page should be divided to 2 columns. And in the left side, we want like a text saying like work with us with bigger letters. Maybe we are not exactly sure, but I have a partner. Maybe we will eventually put like a picture of us. I'm not exactly sure, but let's just keep it in that way. That I don't know. Maybe we will put something, or maybe we will just put like another picture at first, and then because we will have like a shoot and stuff like that. So maybe we will put like a picture of us eventually into this left side, where it will say like work with us with a little bit like bigger words. And yeah, that's it. And for the right side of the column, we want this little form where people should like, or they can like write their names, company, which is going to be like optional, email address, and like a text box where they can, where I want this text. Tell us about your interest, goals, and ideal budget. So like if people are interested in working with us, they can fill out this form. They can write their name, email address, and a little bit, I don't know, like a little description about their company and what services are they interested in. So this, I want this to be like connected to our email.
Okay, so do you want any like email marketing platform integrated to the website, like MailChimp or what ActiveCampaign or SendFox, something like that?
Well, I don't know if I already want to do like email campaigns. What I want is that if someone on our site
fill out the form, that you receive the information on your email, right?
yes.
Okay, yeah. So we can do that, no problem. We can integrate that.
And then below, maybe we will like do like some, I don't know, email marketing as well eventually. So of course, like we want to collect these emails, what they are filling out here. So
yeah, so are there lots of email marketing software like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or at least you can receive in free version, you can have at least 1,000 contracts saved in there at free version. So we can integrate that. I guess that will be helpful for you in future cases.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, so so yeah, this is the right side of the column, like a text box, and tell us about your interest, goals, and ideal budget, and then below send button. And we want a little text below the send button saying like connect with us via email to receive details about both our portfolio and pricing. So this should be below the send button.
All right, so I would like to ask you one question. The mood board you're showing on the website, is it something like a portfolio you're showcasing?
What?
The mood board, is it something like the portfolio of yours? Like
well, it's not really.
It's not really,
like
right?
it's more like it is like a mood board and our portfolio is different. So like, but we just don't want to put portfolio and pricing and like too much info and too much detail into our site. So like when someone is interested about these things, we have like a document that we will send out to them like privately and separately into their email, which will be around like our like recent works and more like about pricing and stuff like that, you know.
Okay, so out of curiosity, I'm just asking. So why you are not showcasing your portfolio on the website? Okay, so because most of the agencies, or what they do is they showcase their portfolio on the website so people can see their work, and then they can reach out to the agency later on. But in your case, you are doing is people can come to the website, see the mood board, and they go for this contact form to fill out the contact. Then they receive the portfolios at the end, right?
Yes.
In your case, right? Yeah. So I'm just asking, well, why is that?
You think we should already include like
because what we did is we showcase our portfolio to encourage the clients. We do better work. We have better quality in our work. That's why they should hire us and they should contact us. All right. So that is the reason, in my opinion. So the rest is up to you.
yeah, okay. I'll connect
no problem.
I'll connect with my partner and we'll see.
Sure. All right. So yeah, okay. If that is the case, we can add it later on purposes. No problem with that. For now, we can keep it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and I guess that's it. Under this, like this should be like the last part. the page, and then under this only like the footer, which is like contact us for more information and like our email and Instagram, and that's it.
Yeah. All right. So one more thing is missing. The website should be on the Wix or in the WordPress.
I'd prefer to be in WordPress.
In WordPress. Okay. So do you have the hosting and domain ready?
I do have the domain, yeah.
Domain, not the hosting yet, right?
No.
Okay, no problem. So we can get the hosting later on. So first of all we can do is I can create the whole version of the website in our server. So then we send the test version to you, so you can have a review of the website. Whatever changes you need, you can just send it to us with a document or a Zoom call. We can jump on another call for the revision. So after that, once the final version is done, we can transfer the whole website to your domain.
Oh, okay. Sounds great to me.
All right. So yeah, so that is how we move forward. So yeah, okay. So these are the inspirations, right? So 3 of them.
Yeah. So the design, what I was just talking about, like color and typography, web design, and the inspo, like this page, and there is this the second one. Like the first two was like our main inspo, and we want something like very similar to these ones, but you will see it after, like in pictures, and like how the animations are going in the page, and like the colors, the fonts, like we want something like very similar to these. And yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
I'll send this to you, whatever email you will send me.
Okay,
now.
so you can send the document to the Upwork.
Okay.
Yeah, so that will work fine. All right, so you have to do one more thing. You can just go to Upwork, and on the top you can see hire freelancer. From there you can start a new contract to get started. All right.
Hire freelancer, and
yeah. So on the Upwork, you can just set up a new contract to get started.
Oh, okay. Because I'm not really familiar yet with the Upwork site.
Okay. So all right. So you can do the screen share. Okay. So you can just go to Upwork. So let me show you.
Okay.
Okay. So I haven't talked about the pricing, the timeline.
What?
Okay. So the pricing, right? Okay. So you mentioned about, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We can go for it. No problem.
Okay. I'll be good with this.
Yeah.
I will
Got it? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
So you can
and
just
what about
next
like the
contract.
I don't think I can send you. So if you could send me like an email address, because I don't think I can send you the mood board and the picture separately.
Okay, so yeah, I'm sending you address on Upwork, so you can send me all the information, the mood boards, the pictures, and everything on the email. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that is it. So you have to start the contract on Upwork. So once you got started with that, just put next. That is it. That is set up. All right. So I'm sending my email address on Upwork, so you can just send me every information through email. All right.
Okay. Sounds great to me.
So thank you so much for joining the call. Have a good day. All right.
Thank you.